Hello YouTube. Today we are going to be riding at Mountain Creek Bike Park and we're getting some jump trails and stuff. So let's get into the video. Now since this was our first lap of the day, we decided to get warmed up on some of the smaller jump trails there. Ooh. Ooh, might have been going a little too fast for that one. Alright.
You need to shift every once in a while.
Yeah. Which trail are we going on next? Ooh, eyes dusty. Nope. This is probably the most dustiest berm like ever. I don't even know. You can't even go through it properly because it's so dusty. Ooh. Nope. All right, let's keep going then. Break so much, it's actually. Ooh.
Try and give yourself a little room there.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know.
How about we go to the one on the far left, I guess, if you want.
Okay, then I need to follow you.
Okay.
You know, I don't like those big jumps, right?
Yeah, I'm not saying that way.
Step up one, huh? Okay.
I didn't say I would do that. I said the one to the far left. That's bumpy. The only downside about bringing a hardtail to a bike park like this is that it's really loud. All you hear is my chain just rattling. Oh, you good?
Okay, guys, let's go.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, it's so, like so bumpy that it's like hard to do anything. Oh, I could have done that gap right there. I keep forgetting about that every time we go on this trail. Ooh. Yeah, my hands are starting to hurt.
Are they?
Yeah, they have been. Like, slash whatever you want to call it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you don't have to, but I'll do it. All right, let's go. Because the GoPro's still recording. Take 2. Because it stopped recording. Oh shoot, that's not good. Oh, that's very, very bumpy. Oh. Oh my gosh, that is so bumpy. That's ridiculous. Oh, excuse me.
Sorry.
It's fine. Biggest drop. Woo. My helmet came down a lot there because the GoPro's like weighting it down almost. That was cool. All right. We did the first tabletop. Since we were all warmed up, we decided to go onto a trail called Lower Dominion, which is a black diamond jump trail, and it is one of the biggest jump trails that they have there.
Okay,
Sure.
just give me some food.
Okay. Here, you're following me, Dad. Oh. Massive jumps, jeez. Jeez. No, I'm not doing this one. It hurts when you case it. So I'm good for today. But there's a nice 6.5, 7 foot drop over here, maybe. This is probably one of the most fun drops in my opinion. Ooh. Nope. All right.
This is the most fun section for me, at least.
This last part?
This section right here. I love this part.
Yeah.
Wait, don't continue going. At the end there, let's do the full times.
All right, yeah, I'll go before you because
You don't want to get a camera of me.
it will be embarrassing, right? Woo! I can't tweak him just yet. This feature right here is so fun. Woo! Oh. Oh, you know, casing some of these kind of hurts, so it's like really annoying. Oh my gosh. I've almost did that one before. Ah! The last jump, the wooden one's fun, but I can't clear all the way. So it's like, eh. Yes. Oh, that's so good. Ooh. I almost nose cased the tiny double there. Woo. That scared me a little bit.
Yeah. You will love it. Wait, don't go behind him.
Okay.
Make sure no one comes, okay? Wait, stay here. Follow my feet.
He didn't do it. You got it. Okay.
No.
Oh, no. All right. Alright, you ready? Should we go
Wait, once you
I don't know, dude. Alright. Yes, I was whipping them too. Oh. Into the fun. Oh. So good. Poop trail. Alright, let's go.
I think I actually whipped one. That was decent.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
I'm not getting any.
Now time to go full throttle down this. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Woo. Ah, it's so bumpy. Woo. Up this. Oh, dude. That was so close.
That nice little tweak there, you saw that?
No, I didn't. I wasn't looking behind me.
I was like a whip and table top.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on my hands. Alright.
Yeah, my hands.
You ready?
Not
Yeah,
yet.
ready.
I'm
Let's
not
go.
ready yet.
Oh.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Almost ready. Alright, you guys can go.
Alright, let's go. I'll follow you. Oh, these brake bumps suck. I couldn't imagine being closer or something. Okay. Alright. Here's my jump. Going! Oh! Dude! Why didn't I clear that? Oh my gosh.
You bottom out. From that small. Next time, maybe.
I'll have to put the GoPro on for another run down that.
Yeah.
Not down the whole thing, because I don't want to wear this heavy thing. But just that's just those jumps.
Yeah. You can go put that in the video.
Yeah. Ugh. I am not too fast on that stuff. Yes. Oh, my hands. Whatever, we're going straight into the drop. Eee. Woo. Wow. Great, my rear pads almost worn out too. That kind of sucks. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Gotta get the shot. Woo! Yeah, dude! Haha! Oh, it's Andy now.
Massive. That was cool.
Well, that's all we have for this video. We had a really fun day, and we hope to see you soon.